Consider and approve resolution calling for the Honorable Greg Abbott to declare an emergency in Johnson County, Texas related.
People in Johnson County want answers about the environmental crisis that sparked a disaster declaration and how it's going to impact them.
Those people need some help.
But local officials say they're still working to get the full picture.
I mean, the phones are nonstop, not just at my office.
That's Dana Ames, the county's lead environmental investigator.
Health impacts of PFAS.
She discovered the problem and presented her findings to a packed crowd at Tuesday's town hall.
That contamination is pervasive and continuing today.
At the center of the crisis are biosolids. It's treated human waste used as fertilizer. Ames says after complaints of sick people, dying livestock, and the smell of death coming from crops, they tested samples of the county's farmland and found toxic forever chemicals known as PFAS.
There have been exhaustive health risk assessments done on these chemicals. And so we know for a fact that they're known carcinogens.
Last year, our Investigates team spoke with ranchers who lost cattle and horses. Ames says what they found in the soil, water, and livestock was dangerously over the limit.
The EPA says 4 parts per trillion for drinking water, 4 tiny drops, and 20 Olympic-sized pools. This stillborn calf's liver tested at 610,000 parts per trillion.
The county says now that they've identified the problem, their next steps depend on how far it's spread.
Yeah, we have a significant issue.
It's why they're now appealing to the state and federal government for resources.
We're asking that the governor issue the state of emergency so that we can get access to funds for our victims.
During the town hall, county leaders explained how dire the situation is.
My concern is the health and the public safety of the people who live in this county and who have lived in it for years.
And vowed a commitment to getting the mess cleaned up and pushing for more oversight of biosolids so this doesn't happen again.
Without a governor's declaration,
In Cleburne,
that type of assistance is not available.
I'm Janelle Fort.